Now that you've taken the time to build out your entire blueprint for your prototype, the next step is to build the prototype for your app concept. And the best software available that we have found to do this is Proto.io. And the reason is because it's so easy to use. The amount of tools they have available for new users is amazing. And as you can see here, if companies like Disney, BBC, ESPN, Samsung trust this software to build prototypes, then you certainly can as well. And just the amount of features that are available here are just amazing. I mean, you can import, if you're a Photoshop buff, you can import all your files directly into Proto.io. There's just so much you can do. If you want to create a really seamless looking prototype based on your blueprint, they have a ton of information or icons that you can import with their UI libraries. Everything can be interactive. With animations that they have, you can test it on any device, so you can animate anything like a pro. If you want to make a full game prototype, you can do that, and it's really amazing what you can do. And as I had mentioned, if you want to prototype on any device, you can do that. You just download the app, and it allows you to put it right onto your native device, if it's Samsung or iPhone. It's really helpful. You can see it in real time. Just download the Proto.io app. It's really amazing what you can do with this platform. So what you want to do is, once you've blueprinted out your idea, you're going to want to come to Proto.io, and you're going to want to create your free account, so that way you can start implementing the design that you created within your blueprint with real-time board. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and pause this video and go to Proto.io and create your free account. And once you've done that, come back, because I want to show you something that's really important for you, so you don't have to start from scratch. If you have an idea that's similar to a major mobile app out there right now, like Spotify, or maybe say Google Drive, or any game, there's a shortcut that you can use within Proto that makes it really easy for you to replicate, so you don't have to start from scratch. So go ahead, pause this video, and I'll see you here shortly. Now you've created your account with Proto.io, you'll be here at your main dashboard. As you can see, here are some of our recent clients' accounts that we're working on right now for their prototypes. And it's really easy to use. This software is hands down by far the best prototyping software out there. We love it. It's just really amazing what you can do with it. Now, if you're new to Proto.io, that's okay. Don't make this complicated or let it intimidate you, because it's really easy to understand. And one of the things you can do is you can click on Learn Proto.io, and it's going to take you to their full training website here, where you can ask any questions you want about it. I mean, there's so much user input here that you can have. Just search for any keyword, anything you want to do. The support is amazing, so I highly recommend that you take the time to learn Proto.io, because it's really an amazing piece of software that you can use to map out your entire prototype on your own, and it'll save you countless hours of trying to do a PowerPoint presentation, or trying to demonstrate this in Photoshop. And it's going to go a long way when you're presenting your prototype, when you can have someone install directly on their device, and you can show them what you built. You're going to want to use Proto.io. Now, as I had mentioned, there's a way to shortcut a lot of this, and it's through Proto.io Spaces. So when you're in your account, you just click on Proto.io Spaces here. It'll have you just create a Proto.io Space account. And once you do that, you can come right into here, and as you can see, there's many ideas that are already here for you to use. So there's, there's so many examples of if you want to do inter-movie database, or an app watch concept, or just literally anything you could think of, an emergency app. I'm just showing you what just is recently been updated here. But what you can do is you can come here and you can do see all, and it's going to show you anything that you want that was just added today to this database. And you can come in here and just find ones that you like. For example, like Tinder. If you want to create another dating app, you can come over here, click on the Tinder one, and it's going to have a full player that you can get the full user experience. So pretty much what they did is the individual that created this is giving you a full demo of the Tinder application. And what you can do is you can click on download right here, and what that's going to allow you to do is it's going to download it into your proto.io account, and it's going to give you everything. So once you click download, it's going to create a screen like this and allow you to edit the project. And you don't realize how amazing that is, because once you input this into your account, you download it, it's going to allow you to put it right into your account. So you can go in here, you can edit it, you can change out any images, you can change out any features. Obviously, you don't want to just steal another app like Tinder and put a new name on it and say, oh, this is my concept. But what you can do is it allows you to download it, go into each slide of the prototype, and it allows you to edit every screen. So for example, if you click on Edit Project, you can come in here and it's going to allow you to edit any piece of the prototype you want. So if it's a slider screen, if it's text, if it's a menu, anything you want at all, it's 100% customizable. You could do that from anything that you download from the Proto.io spaces. So it's going to save you so much time, especially if you find something within their spaces account that's directly related to your mobile app idea. You can come in here, use this feature, and begin to map out your prototypes with Proto.io. So the first thing is you want to go ahead, create a Proto.io account. It's free to sign up for a trial, and once the trial expires, it's $29 a month, but it's an invaluable tool for you. And then let's say you develop your prototype, you're done, you don't want to pay the $29 a month because you're just developing one project. You can go ahead and park the account, and you can keep your prototypes live for a minimal fee. It's like $5 a month, but it's worth it because if you're pitching your prototype, that's something you're going to want to do. Or keep the full account so you can edit it based on the feedback you receive when you're pitching your prototype to backers, other business associates, because that's what this tool is for. It's to take your idea, make it visual, make it real, make it a full experience so they can go in there and use it on their own time. So once you have it, then what you want to do is come in here, familiarize yourself with learning Proto.io. There's so many informative videos here, from starting Proto.io, from beginner lessons to advanced lessons. I mean, it's amazing the amount of support you have, and it's going to help you with all the basics, everything you're going to need within Proto.io. So go through here, and then once you familiarize yourself with Proto.io, then you want to come in here to Spaces, and you want to come and find an app prototype that's something that you are that is not you, but something that's familiar to your app. So if for example you're creating another dating app, and Tinder is something you want to model it after, then that's great. Then you can come in here, you can click on download, or you can tap this little button here, click on import, and it's going to import it right into your account. So actually, that's exactly what you have to do. I had to scroll down a little bit more here for you because download is just going to have you download it. If you come down here, you tap on import. So you tap on import, and it's going to put it into your account. You can go in there, once you have it, then you'll be able to edit it just like this. So it's really slick, and it's going to save you a lot of time, like I said. So that's the next thing you want to do. So create your Proto.io account. Then you want to familiarize yourself with the platform by going through the training that they have. Like I said, it's really easy. This is going to be something that you'll want to do for many app ideas you have, because I'm assuming you're watching this video now, you have more than one app idea. So you want to make sure you're familiar with Proto.io, how it works. It's really easy to use. Just take the time to study it. You can sit down in front of these lessons and go through each one. It'll take you maybe an hour, 2 hours max to go through everything. Now once you're familiar with it, then just come over here to Spaces, find an app concept similar to yours. You can download it, you can upload it right into your account by clicking import, and it'll go right into your project section of your account, and you can edit away. So once you have your blueprint, you're ready to go. Sign up for Proto.io and get started building your prototype. This is an invaluable software, like I said, that you want to use, and I highly encourage you to use this when you are making your pitch to backers, to have a full built out prototype by using this software.